But one of the things that connect me the most with India was the fact that the Western culture lost already a lot of things, like
I inform the police.
Call the police.
I want to take selfie. Stop, few minutes, stop, few minutes.
Special shout out to Himanshu. Thank you so much for hosting me, letting me recover mentally and physically for such a long time. I definitely needed the break. I'm happy to say that I've been having solid shits for 2 weeks now, which is amazing. Hasn't happened in over 3 months. I hope we meet again along the way somewhere. Until next time.
Hey! So my name is Catarina. I'm from Lisbon, Portugal. It is my 3rd time in India. Okay, so the first time I was in India, I think my experience wasn't that good.
Well, I want to show you guys what my tires are up against in the desert of Rajasthan. You could just be cycling and there might just be a little tiny branch in the middle of the road. And that little branch contains tons of thorns. I don't think it really matters how thick your tires are, how new they are, because these thorns will just go through anything. So when I come up to a branch in the middle of the road, I'll stop and show you. My tires have been worn down quite a bit. I need new tires for sure. I'm working on that. Oh, here we go. I mean, just take a look at these things. That'll go right through your tire and just pop it. It's happened to me so many times already. These are powerful and they're hiding in the sand, so when you take the off-roads, you never know if you're just gonna get a flat just like that, because these thorns, I think every bush out here is covered in thorns. I'm being extra careful now when I'm riding in this area.
No.
Not Hindi, unfortunately.
Ciao! Okay, so this is one of the things that happens in India. So people are a bit inconvenient and they just like start talking to you when you are talking with someone else. This happened to me a lot of times in my first time in India. And like this, you know?
I asked these guys if I could camp. I did the translate and they just said nay, nay. I rolled into this little village and I started talking to someone and they shut the door on me. Then another guy rolled up on a bike and I typed in Hindi and the English translate, where can I camp? He just kind of made some weird signs. Some other guys came, I showed them the message, where can I camp? And all I heard was nay, nay. I just kind of took off. I'm somewhere in these wetlands, so there's really no one out here, but I'm surrounded by wetlands and water and lots of different animals, and so it's kind of cool. I just hope I don't wake up soaking wet from all the moisture. But this is where I'm gonna camp tonight because they didn't want to help me in town. Kind of strange. Everyone's yelling at me all day long to come over. And finally, when I do want to come over, they don't want me. That's how it works.
India. Woo. Woo. Oh bye. Oh bye. Oh bye. Oh bye. Woo.
Trying to sleep, man. I'm sleeping. Let me sleep. There's definitely a lot of wildlife here, which is cool. And not a lot of people, which is surprising. No snakes, just a few birds, some ducks, some ants, and no mosquitoes. There weren't any mosquitoes last night. The left side of my front rack had a falling out. One of the screws broke off, so carrying my pannier on my handlebars, waiting to get to Udaipur to fix it. I tried to stop at a little town and a little bike shop, but they didn't have the screws or the bolts to fix it. Still got about 200K to go to get to Udaipur, so I'll just be cycling with my pannier on my handlebars. Actually trying to take a shit right now, but I keep having all these people looking for me. They see my bike. You hear that horn? He's looking for me. Oh, they're yelling for me. Mission accomplished, and no one's waiting for me. Thank God. You wait long enough and they leave. Sometimes. The magical question is somebody gonna come ring that bell at 4 in the morning tonight? Who's coming to this Hindu temple to wake up the god? Because there's a bell, and it looks like they come here every day. I need an early start anyways, so I guess I won't complain tomorrow morning, but I will let you know when it goes off.
नमस्ते।
Namaste.
क्या हाल चाल है आपका?
No one rang the bell this morning, but I woke up soaking wet. The guy who came was really nice. He couldn't speak English, but I could tell he was a genuine nice guy. And now we are headed to Ranakpur Fortress. Here we go. My first elephant. Not sure if that's a good thing or bad thing.
But one of the things that connect me the most with India was the fact that the Western culture lost already a lot of things, like looking people in the eyes, really smiling to the others, really receiving others in a very welcoming way. We lost it, like in many countries, in most of the European countries, and here it's something that is still there, and that's really beautiful.
couldn't get over all the horn honking. This is probably the most beautiful route I've taken through India yet.
Back.
100 rupees? What? This guy wants 100 rupees. He's waiting for me now. Wants 100 rupees.
I am stuck. Video delete. Oi. Stuck. Video delete. Video delete. Video is delayed.
Don't touch me, man.
Yeah?
Don't touch me. Alright, someone's getting their ass kicked. You got a problem, man? You wanna go? You wanna fucking go? Get out of here. Leave me alone, man. Back away. Get out of here, man. Go away. Do you want to get knocked out? You want to get beat the fuck up? Here I found the nice back roads. This guy comes demanding 100 rupees, yelling 100 rupees, give me 100 rupees. And then I put the video on him. Yeah, he doesn't like the video, does he? Yeah. Here I had a really great day. The scenery was amazing. Finally going up some hills and almost a mountain, really. It was about 600 meters. And I come to this nice countryside back roads, beautifully paved roads too. And then you get this guy demanding 100 rupees and getting angry. He put the camera on him. Oh, no camera, delete video. Oh, I don't think so, buddy. If it's that bad, I need to delete the video. Maybe you shouldn't have been doing that. Yeah, more than likely, if they keep harassing you, you're bound to give them the money. They probably didn't expect me to stop and get off my bike and push him to the ground. Maybe that's why he put his hands to his chest to start praying for one of his gods to come and save his ass. Yeah, not happening on my watch, bro. You guys bother me, I'm gonna beat you down. That's my new philosophy for the day and for the rest of my time in India.
One time I really wanted to punch someone in the face, the first time I was here.
There are a ton of people outside. I don't know what they're doing. Maybe it's their Sunday ritual. It looks like they're gonna have tea and eat some food. I don't know, but they all are staring at me. I'm not ready to leave yet. My tent's not dry. I haven't packed everything up, so they're just gonna have to stare at me for a while. Oh my gosh. Hello. Namaste. I've had 2 motorbikes go by me and guys are barking at me. I have no idea what that means. If it's something in India where guys bark at other guys on bicycles, it's really strange. These guys came over and they just started laughing at me as I'm fixing my flat. And then they said, "Oh, can we help?" I said, "Yeah, if you could just, keep it quiet. I'm trying to hear for the leak." "Oh, no, I mean like, shh." I had to tell them to stop talking like 4 times. It's like I'm teaching again. I was like, you know what? It'd be just better if you guys just leave. Like, you're not helping. And at least they actually left, but then they just laughed and laughed and laughed. So, haha, funny, Well, cool people, man, cool people.
I really fall in love with India, and I guess I have a big connection with the country. Otherwise, you cannot handle some stuff. Like this kind of stuff. It is already annoying,
Just getting into Udaipur. Got my front rack fixed, thank God. Feels so good to cycle again with a normal bike.